So I'm gonna let you listen to something for around 30 seconds. Then I want you to guess what is it. Is that okay? And tell me how did you find it? Thanks.
كلما دخل عليها زكريا المحراب وجد عندها رزقا قال يا مريم أنى لك هذا قالت هو من عند الله إن الله يرزق من يشاء بغير حساب.
How did you find it?
I feel like relaxed. I will listen it to study. I don't know. I like it.
Do you know what is it? Can you try to guess? No? Do you have anything in mind? This is the Quran. Do you know anything about the Quran? Do you know what is the Quran? It's, do you know anything about Islam? Islam. So this is the Islamic holy book. It's called the Quran. It's the word of God, the word of Allah.